This is Cherry on KGB system. Last year we pruned the leaders at the beginning of spring so the new ones would grow. As you can see, these are the results. Here we have several new leaders that have grown. Today we will prune this tree and I will show you how to thin the leaders to make them stronger. Also on this side of the tree we have 2 or 3 leaders who will hopefully become strong enough to replace the old ones. When you cut old leaders, try to be close to each other so that the light penetrates as well as possible and the growth will be much better. The first thing we need to do is to remove the branches that grow downward. As you can see, I leave small stubs on which there will be small amount of fruit later in the year. You can remove those stubs completely when they dry up. Cut the leaders to strengthen them and make sure it is to the outer bud growing outside of the canopy. Let's reduce the number of leaders and make sure to remove those that grow horizontally inside the trunk. There are too many branches on this side of the tree, but leave them because you will easily reduce the number if is necessary. For the old leaders, it is the rule to prune all these branches to a stub. We will remove this old leader, but not with the intention of growing a new one from there, but to help these younger branches grow stronger. There are not many flower buds on this leader, so we will also remove it, and in that way we will help the tree to grow better and at the same time we will have a bigger fruits. You can leave these branches that grow outside of the canopy and do not shade anything. Remove dead branches. As we have already said, we remove all branches that grow horizontally inside the trunk. If there is too much branches, we need to reduce the number of them. This branch is too weak for the amount of fruit it bears, so we'll remove it because we want to get only high quality and large fruits. This branch is too high in the passage where machinery passes. We will have to shorten it so that we can pass through without hindrance. As you can see, these stubs from last year are dry out and now we can remove them. Here we make a stronger cut to move the leader away from the next tree. Do not forget to coat the larger cuts with grafting wax to protect the tree from various diseases.